Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Same as is. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. In today's video, we shall be looking at an alternative or other method of inserting auto borders uh, in our data or when we are working with data. What I'm trying to mean is this: like for example, if uh, if I'm to fill in the next person, this is birthday data. So they give us the names, club, goal scored, birth date, and the age. So if you have interacted with me in our previous videos, you would have noticed some of you have worked with this file, but now we are this is another alternative we are looking at. So mainly, if let me say Emma, this is Emma sees this next person, then is in Liverpool, then he has scored let's just say 13 goals and was born on that is 27th June 1980. So basically, when you try to notice, it doesn't give us the auto borders. What we are seeing is just this. So how do we go around that? We, the other alternative is what people do is they tend to select the whole of that, then they insert the borders. Okay, this is also a good alternative. But now, what will you do to these unfilled? We want it to capture per the entries we make when we are feeding in data. So how do we do that? Okay. So what we can do, we can remember this is our cell. It's B14. So what we do, we shall select from B14 to F14. Then we can drag for a given number of cells we want to work with. Okay, for now, okay, let me work with 50 cells. So after doing the selection, you can move to conditional formatting. In the previous video, we used counter. Then in this new video, this is an easier alternative. So click here. Then we use this one. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then our formula would be, remember in Excel, whenever you're writing a formula or using a function, you start with an equal sign. So equal sign. So our first cell entry would be B14. Then we would lock. So when you lock, that is, it introduces the dollar signs. How do we lock? You just press F4 on your keyboard. So our interest is not we are here. I have locked the whole cell. I've locked the row and the column, but I don't want to lock these ones, the rows, but the column I lock. So I just remove the dollar sign. So every entry I will make from here, it will always feed me the data I want. So this is after locking this. So after equal sign B14, it is greater, it's less than greater to blank. Basically, that's what we do. These are inverted commas. Then you come and format. What we need is this. Just click on the outline. Then you click OK. Then this is also OK. So basically, that is it. So if my entry is Harriet Faye, Phaedra, and you'll notice that it has already even given me the, the automatic borders. She's in Liverpool, 24 goals. We don't know this. Okay, can also do this black. So it whenever I make an entry, whenever I make an entry and move to the next cell, uh, it would uh, it will give me. Let me use Newcastle, 13 goals. In the previous video, I taught you how to, instead of putting these dashes, how to navigate with to replace them. So basically, that is it. If you try to notice, remember, even if I move to this entry, I put Jamie Kai, it would still give me these auto borders. So basically, that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you how we can come or navigate that. Just a brief one. Just taking you back to the steps. We came to after making our selection. Let me say here. So we came here. Then we went to new. We came to conditional formatting. Came to new rule. Then we used the formula to determine. Then we equal sign. Now in this case it is H10. So you put H10, type H10, H10. You press your F4, lock it. But we only need to lock the column. We use this. Then we put the inverted brackets. We format this to that and press OK. So every time you press 1, you move, it will always give you maybe 2, you move, 3, you move, 4. You'll notice that these are automatic columns. Basically, that is it for this video. And if you found it helpful, or you still have any other challenges in regards to working with Excel, you just leave it in the comment section. Then that may be our next video. Thank you.